Welcome to Car Insurance Module 5, Comprehensive Coverage, Collision Coverage, Medical Payments Coverage, and Personal Injury Protection. Comprehensive coverage financially protects you in case of any damage to your car caused by non-collision events. Comprehensive coverage is not required in any state. However, most lenders do require it when you are financing or leasing a vehicle. If you are not required to have it, the decision on whether or not to get it mostly comes down to the value of your car and your budget. Similar to other policies, comprehensive coverage comes with a limit as well as a deductible. Typically, the limit is equal to the total cash value of your vehicle. If the value of your vehicle is less than your deductible, it may not be worth it to get comprehensive coverage. If the vehicle has a low cash value and endures extreme damage, it would likely make more sense to purchase a new vehicle instead of paying for repairs. However, if your car is of higher value or the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle is too high, you may want to consider getting this coverage. In contrast with comprehensive coverage, collision coverage covers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if you are involved in a crash with another vehicle or object such as a tree or mailbox. However, it does not cover damage to your vehicle caused by non-collision events, damage to another person's vehicle, or any medical bills. Collision coverage isn't typically required for drivers to have unless they are financing or leasing their vehicle. Like comprehensive coverage, collision coverage also comes with a deductible and a limit, which is usually equal to the cash value of your vehicle after depreciation. For example, let's say that you are involved in a crash that leaves your car completely totaled. With collision coverage, your insurer will pay the current value of your vehicle, also known as the depreciated value, minus the deductible. In this case, the value of the car when it was new was $28,000. After $4,000 of depreciation and a deductible of $1,000, the final insurance payment will be $23,000. When deciding whether to purchase these types of coverages, the Insurance Information Institute suggests taking the total amount that you would pay in premiums for comprehensive and collision coverage in one full year and multiply that by 10. If the number you get is more than the value of your vehicle, it may not be worth it. For example, if your monthly insurance payment is $189, you would multiply that by 12 months, which equals $2,268. Then multiply that by 10, and you would get $22,680. So, you should have this level of insurance if your car is worth $23,000 or more. Medical payments coverage and personal injury protection, or PIP, serve a similar purpose. However, PIP is only available in certain states. These types of coverage help pay for medical costs due to injuries caused in an accident. However, there is a slight difference in what exactly they will cover. Personal injury protection, on the other hand, is only offered in no-fault states and covers additional losses such as lost income and childcare expenses. There are 12 states that require PIP coverage and 31 states that do not offer it at all. But what exactly does no-fault and at-fault mean? Well, in some states that follow no-fault insurance laws, Both parties file claims with their own insurers after an accident. Any damages or injuries related to the accident are covered by each driver's own insurer regardless of who caused the accident. Currently, 12 states follow no-fault insurance laws. In at-fault states, the insurance company of the driver who causes the accident is responsible for paying the costs of injuries and property damage for both drivers. So, when an accident happens, a claim is only filed with the insurer of the at-fault driver. In conclusion, comprehensive coverage financially protects you in case of damage caused by non-collision events. Collision coverage financially protects you if you are involved in a crash with another vehicle or object. And medical payments coverage and PIP help pay for medical costs due to injuries caused in an accident.